I want you to imagine what it would feel like to make $3,000 a day from your laptop, computer, or even just your phone. Imagine all of the beautiful destinations you can travel to, all the cool things you could buy, all the food you could try, all the cars you could drive. It will be amazing, right? Well, today I will show you proof of how everyday people are using the power of making money online to collect thousands of dollars every single day. And I will show you how you can do this as well, no matter if you're coming from India, Pakistan, Philippines, United States, Brazil, Canada, or any other countries, because this works worldwide. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Now, the first YouTube channel I have for you is the channel right here called the True or False Experiments. And what this guy's doing is he's just crushing things. He's just going over different items, and now you can see his videos may not be getting loads or millions of views or whatsoever. In fact, he's getting like less than 30,000 views, which is really bad because these types of videos can end up going viral. But anyways, even if this guy's not getting many views, he is, according to Social Blade, making over $25,000 a month. So it's around $25,000 or maybe even more than that. And just by going over things, no editing skills needed, no professional thumbnails, no Photoshop, nothing like that. He's not a professional videographer, he's not showing his face, but this guy is making $25,000 just by posting these types of videos. The second channel I want to show you is the one called Life Hacks and Experiments. This one is doing pretty much the same thing, and it's even posting the last videos than the previous one. But according to Social Blade, this guy is making around $100,000 a month, or maybe even more than that, just by going over things with his car. As you can see, he films videos for like 2 minutes and is already making $100,000 a month, or over $1 million a year, and of course thousands of dollars a day. And he's doing the recording of videos with his phone, so you can do it with your phones too. Just record something like that. You don't need a car. If you don't have a car, you can break things with a hammer or just be creative. And now just imagine what would happen if you were posting these life hack videos every single day. Well, not only will you grow a lot faster, not only will you get a lot more views and subscribers, but you will make a lot of more money. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now, as I promised you, I'm gonna give you some absolutely free tools that will help you maximize your results. And the first is an editing software. All you need to do is record a couple of videos that are like 10 seconds long, and in order to compile them into a 2-minute long compilation, you can just use Kledio.com. So instead of using all of those complicated and expensive video editing softwares, which you need to install and download to your computer, you can just go over to Kledio.com. This website is an absolutely free tool which is cloud-based. So there's nothing to be downloaded to your computer. You can just open it up, go to Kledio.com, and you can either go to Video Maker, Slideshow, or Merge. Click on Video Maker right here, choose different videos that you film with your phone, and the software will actually compile them into like a 2-minute video for you. It's a really easy and simple video editing software. It's completely beginner friendly because all they have to do is click, add more videos, upload another video, and add more videos, upload another video, and just click create. Wait until that loads, until Kledio makes a compilation for you, and just download the video to your computer. Go to YouTube and publish it. It's as simple as that. They can literally take less than 10 minutes a day to make one compilation video. And you must stay consistent because YouTube algorithm always rewards consistency. Go back to your YouTube channel and upload it. And as you can see, you don't need any special thumbnails. These guys are not making their thumbnails. They just took a photo with their phone or their camera and they're using that as their thumbnail. As simple as that. Nothing special, no special effects or whatsoever. And then, if you want to get views quickly, because that's going to be the hardest part, getting views, then you can use a tool called vidiq.com. This is an absolutely free tool. I mean, they do have some pricing options, but you don't have to pay for it. I personally use this tool and I use it for over 4 months already, but I'm not paying anything. I'm using the free version and it has still helped me a lot. So you can sign up with this tool and it's going to help you with your rankings, get you powerful tags or hashtags, and it's overall going to help you get more views for absolutely free. You can just register here by entering your email address and password and just click sign up. Install the free Chrome extension and use it to grow your channels quickly. So definitely go give it a try. It's not hard. It doesn't require any special experience, any special skills, but it can definitely make you a lot of money. And if you want to learn more about making money on YouTube and exactly how you can grow quickly, I have a step-by-step training that's going to teach you literally the best way to make money on YouTube as a complete beginner. Without having to run ads, without having to film those type of videos, without a camera, without showing your face, without affiliate marketing, and I'm also gonna show you how to get monetized quickly, even though this program that I want to share with you is not focusing on making money from ads. I'm still gonna include a section where I will be showing you step by step how you can get a literally any YouTube channel monetized. So that's gonna be the first link in the description down below. It's my unique way to make money on YouTube. And I'm gonna share with you my personal strategies for growing YouTube channels to thousands of subscribers and hundreds of thousands of views in no time. And of course, how you can actually make money from those YouTube channels the easiest way. To make money on YouTube as a complete beginner, a lot of people have been using the program and a lot of people have been getting the results. So you can see it right here. So once again, that's gonna be the first link in the description down below. So I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in some of the next videos.